If you want to live to 100, the way you start your morning matters more than most people realize. Many people believe longevity comes down to genetics or luck, but in reality, the body responds to the same signals every single day, and those signals are shaped by simple habits repeated over time. People who live the longest do not rush their mornings, because stress early in the day increases inflammation, hormone imbalance, and mental fatigue that build up year after year. Waking up at the same time every day without an alarm, if possible, may seem small, but it tells your body that it is safe and that this day is yours to shape. That simple rhythm protects your heart, your mind, and even your sleep at night. Light in the morning is more than brightness. It's a signal that life is beginning again. Stepping outside or letting sunlight touch your eyes first thing wakes up your brain, your energy, and even your mood. Before reaching for a phone or thinking about responsibilities, take a few slow, deep breaths. Let the body settle. Let the mind calm. This helps the nervous system settle, protects memory and emotional balance as the years pass. Gentle movement in the morning keeps the body flexible and strong, because muscles and joints that move daily are far more likely to stay functional well into old age. This movement does not need to be intense or exhausting, because walking, stretching, or light exercise is enough to wake up circulation and remind the body that it is meant to stay active. Eating a simple, steady breakfast helps keep blood sugar stable, which protects blood vessels and reduces long-term risk for heart disease, diabetes, and cognitive decline. Spending a few moments in silence during the morning gives the mind space to reset, and this quiet time helps reduce mental clutter that can otherwise carry stress throughout the day. Over decades, it is these calm, repeated patterns that keep the body resilient, rather than extreme routines that are difficult to sustain.